Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here. Just cruising around with the 2022 Civic Hatch here. Gonna do a quick 1 through 3rd gear on this thing. See what you guys think. We got the PRL downpipe and front pipe, which you can buy on the website. It does have the open dump tube, and we deleted the entire exhaust since there won't be one available. And Ktuner stage 2 reflash with the stage 1 intake. So we don't really have much mods, but we're waiting on a couple more things coming from PRL right now, and should be doing quite a few interesting mods within the next few weeks. So let's try and see if I could get a little bit of open road real quick and just open her up and see how it does. There's like so many cars around, and it's so frustrating. It's still really busy out here in Mexico, so see what I can do. Obviously it's very annoying because people just get irritated if you get on it and it's loud, and then they want to follow you around. But yeah, the car drives great. So the Hasport mounts are on here, the full set. Hardly any vibrations at all. They run great, and I love them. Pretty much put them on every single car I've ever owned, and that's how it's always going to be. But yeah, we'll just open it up real quick. I'm not going to do anything too crazy, but let's see what it does. Quick little pull, nothing too fancy. Yeah, hope you guys like, and keep tuning into the channel. We're gonna have a lot more mods for you guys coming up here, and see what you guys think with everything. And yeah.